By the year 2030, artificial intelligence won't just be helping us write emails or generate images. It will be replacing entire professions. In today's video, we'll explore 5 jobs that will likely disappear within the next 5 years, all because of AI. Stay until the end to find out if your job is on the list. Number 1. Customer support agents. Chatbots like ChatGPT and AI voice assistants are becoming shockingly good. They answer instantly, never get tired, and can handle thousands of users at once. By 2030, over 90% of customer service jobs could be replaced by AI systems, with many already being phased out in 2025. Number 2. Translators and interpreters. Tools like DeepL and Google Translate are evolving rapidly. Real-time translation earbuds are already here. By 2030, AI could handle most translation tasks with near-human accuracy. That means fewer jobs in live translation, especially for common languages. Number 3. Data entry clerks. Repetitive typing and form filling, perfect task for AI. With OCR and document parsing bots, entire departments of clerks are being replaced by one single AI workflow. This job will likely be fully automated in under a decade. Number 4. Basic content writers. Low-cost SEO articles and product descriptions are now being written by tools like ChatGPT. Writers who don't offer strategic or creative value will be replaced. But creative storytelling? Still very human, for now. Number 5. Truck drivers and delivery jobs. Autonomous vehicles are advancing fast. Tesla, Waymo, and others are racing to bring self-driving trucks to market. By 2030, many delivery jobs, especially in logistics hubs, may be fully automated. These changes aren't just predictions. They're already happening. But here's the twist. For every job lost, new roles are emerging. AI prompt engineer, data ethics consultant, human AI trainer. So don't fear the future, learn to ride the wave. Want to see the jobs that AI can't replace? Subscribe for part 2. Prompt AI Vision, the future simplified.